This is the answer that Perplexity AI gave me when I actually generated a picture of a golden retriever playing with a red balloon. So I was using a phone to try to create a picture on Perplexity, but it is not possible. At the same time, when I asked the same question or the same prompt on the desktop web version of Perplexity, it can generate a picture without any problem. So this is one thing that I dislike about Perplexity, that there are some features that are basically exclusive on the platform. So there is a feature that only work on the mobile version. There's also a feature that only work on the desktop version. But what if you want to use the mobile phone, the mobile version of Perplexity to create a picture? Well, right now when I'm recording this video, you cannot use the mobile app version to create a picture, but there is a workaround. So if you want to create a picture with Perplexity on your phone, you can open not Perplexity but a browser. So in this case, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then basically you have to log into Perplexity via browser. So just go to the website perplexity.ai, and after that, it might ask you to use the mobile version. Usually there's going to be a message, big screen, telling you that you can download the mobile version. Just click the close button on the top right corner of the screen, and after that, you can log in with your Perplexity account. So here, I'm going to be using the same prompt again, and you will see that I can generate a picture without any problem on this mobile web version. So let me just copy and paste and send the message to Perplexity. So basically, when you're using the mobile version on your phone, the Perplexity web version, it is basically almost like the same version of the desktop web version. And therefore, you have the ability to create a picture within the Perplexity platform. And by the way, sometimes it's not very common, but sometimes Perplexity is still not able to create a picture when you're using this method. In that case, I do recommend to open the app or open the website. Sorry about that. Open the website in the desktop version. So you can tap on this button and then open the desktop site. So usually it will solve the problem, but most of the times you can just use the basic mobile web version of Perplexity to generate a picture. So it is still creating a picture, and it is using the same model that you use on the desktop version, which in this case I'm using GPT image 1, the same image model as the one in ChatGPT. So it usually will take about 1 or 2 minutes to generate a picture, and I guess given that it will take quite a while, I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Alright, so this is the result. It is definitely quite similar, but definitely a different picture. So that's how you can create a picture using Perplexity on your mobile phone. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.